So far we have looked at the keypad configurations of cPad and their functions. Finally, we will look at convenience feature of RemoteOne-cPad. First convenience feature is a special key input method which uses acronyms of words in a sentence. Here we will take acronymic ambiguous predictive input method. This is shortcut typing, where you only press the keys that correspond to the acronyms of the words in the phrase. So, to type Moonlight Sonata, we need to press ambiguous 9 and for keys which are for acronyms M and S. This page shows how to input Moonlight Sonata using acronymic ambiguous input method. First, press ambiguous keys for the acronyms. Then, phrases which have the same acronyms as typed keys are predicted from the phrase database. Moonlight Sonata is predicted and shown in candidate box, since it is typed in voice dictation and its result is already registered in the database. By selecting the key corresponding Moonlight Sonata, it is sent to Windows focused area. After outputting the phrase to the focused area of the PC, we need to execute the phrase. For this, first, press Center key of typing keypad, which switches it to menu keypad. Then press Enter key, which sends Enter key signal to the system since composing box is empty. Basically, acronymic ambiguous predictive input uses the acronymic key sequence of A. However, key sequence of B can be used to reduce the number of predicted sentence. Adding space and the key sequence of the last word reduces the number of predicted sentences. Here, only Moonlight Sonata is predicted with the key input of B. Hence, acronymic predictive input method provides an input method as efficient as voice dictation. Here we will illustrate how to register phrases to the database for ambiguous acronymic input. First, make list of phrases separated by paragraph mark in any word process program, and copy them into clipboard. Then press Register key in menu keypad in typing mode. If the registration is successful, the message registration is successful appears in composing box. As shown here, phrases include not only sentences, but also email addresses, web addresses, etc. For ambiguous acronym key sequences, symbols are considered as spaces. As a result, even email and web addresses can be entered using ambiguous acronyms. This is how to type in email address abc@123.com. First, press the ambiguous keys for 1, 7. Then the email address appears in candidate box. The email address is selected and sent to the focused area in Windows by pressing key 1 for its second element. We have seen one of standout features of RemoteOne-cPad. Next, we will see another feature of RemoteOne, that is the change of cPad position on the screen.